Hi everyone, welcome back to science. I'm still doing the egg with the vinegar or how to make a naked egg experiment. So yesterday we put vinegar in this jar and we filled it up most of the way, and then we put the egg in there. And as you can see, there's a lot of little bubbles on the egg and the eggshell. There's also a little dark little clump, and I'm guessing that might be some part of the eggshell. So there's parts of the egg that you can see. It looks like it's just, there's no eggshell on it. So we are going to let it sit for another day and see what happens, and then hopefully tomorrow we can see exactly what happened in the experiment. So stay tuned, and I will see you tomorrow to see what happens, okay? All right, bye.